Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPhone user, you know how frustrating it can be not knowing your exact battery level at a glance. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to see the battery percentage on your iPhone in 2025, with the latest iOS updates making it even easier. Whether you're on the go or just managing your day, this feature is a game changer for staying powered up. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and head to the home screen. Look for the Settings app, that familiar gear icon, and tap it to open. Settings is your go-to hub for all customizations, so it's straightforward from here. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see Battery. Go ahead and tap on that. In the Battery menu, you'll find an option labeled Battery Percentage. Simply toggle it on, and bam! Your battery level will now show up in the status bar at the top of your screen. This works on most iPhone models from 2025 onward. But that's not all. With iOS 19 or later, you might have extra features. For instance, on devices with the dynamic island, like the iPhone 17 series, you can swipe down from the top for a quick battery view. Or, use Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, what's my battery percentage?" for an instant response. These additions make checking your battery super convenient. Why does this matter? Monitoring your battery helps extend your iPhone's lifespan and prevents unexpected shutdowns. Plus, it's a simple way to optimize your usage throughout the day. There you have it. Easy steps to keep tabs on your power. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other iPhone questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.